How to activate Halifax debit card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can activate your Halifax debit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically activate your Halifax debit card, you can just open the mobile banking application here, and once you launch the mobile banking application, you will be able to sign into your mobile banking account. So just tap on the let's get you signed in option here, sign into your mobile banking using your credentials here, and once you have done that, tap on create sign in details. Now once you do that, one way that you can activate your debit card is by simply going to the ATM, where you can put in your debit card and it will get automatically activated. Or what you can do from here is you can just try to go ahead and then activate it via the app. Log into your mobile banking account, go to the card section, select debit card, and your debit card should be successfully activated. This way you can activate Halifax debit card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.